Hi everyone, I'm Teja, and in this video, I want to discuss about basics of Python. And before that, why I chosen the language Python, because we can write the code in Python very simply, and the understanding of Python code is also very simple. And with compared to the other programming languages, we don't want to declare the variable in the Python languages, wherein like C, C++, Java, or any other languages, we have to declare the variable before writing the code. Okay, and first of all, what is a variable? And to understand what is a variable, assume your body is a variable. Okay, and assume your body is a variable. While we are wearing clothes and the accessories on our body are the data. Where our body is the variable, it is a name like Teja or Sai, any Krishna. Okay, and I will give an example like x is equal to the 45, where here x is called as the variable, and the 45 integer data type is called as an data, where we can change the clothes which we are wearing as day-to-day life. Like we can change from the shirt to t-shirt and t-shirt to jacket and jacket to any other cloth material. So we can also change the data type of integer to complex variable like i plus ib, and also we can change to exponential e power 2, and we can also assign the logarithmic data type. Anything we can assign to an variable. Mm, I think you are clear about the variable. And the second important one is about the index value. Okay, index value. And your index value, it is used from the loops like for loop, for and while loop, and do while loop, and it is used in the loop. And how it is actually using. Okay, first of all, we have to know about the what is an index value. So the index value of any data will be starting from the 0 itself, and it will be end with the length of the data minus n. If the string length is 4, and the ending of the string will be the 4 minus 1 equal to 3. And I will give an example to you so you can understand very clearly. Like str is equal to the Teja. Okay, and in Teja we have 4 characters T, E, J, A. Okay, and the index value will be starting from the 0 and ending from the length of the data minus 1. Okay, and here length of the data is how much? 4. So length of the data minus 1. I mean like ending of index value is equal to the length minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 1. Okay, length minus 1 is equal to the 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, and where is actually using? If you want the print the Teja by line, so we have to use a for loop. Also, we can use a while loop, but I am using a for loop within a simple manner, like for I in what is the variable name? String. Okay, str, and print I. Okay, if you want to print like T in a first line and the A in the second line and the J in the third line and the A in the fourth line, we have to use the for loop, and the output of this for loop will be T, E, J, A. Okay, I hope all are clear with the index value and the variable. And after that, we are moving on to the basic data types. We have, I think so, basic data types 5 or 6, like integers and sets, and the tuples and the dictionaries. And we have, and later on discussing, we have to, and later on discussing, we will discuss about the all the data types. And in data types, we have 2 types, like mutable and immutable. I will give an note: mutable data type and immutable data type. Okay, wait a minute. Uh, Data type. Okay, it is the types, not type. Data types. Where in mutable, we can't change or modify the data which is already declared as a variable. If you want to change with an index value or a slicing method, we can't change in the mutable. Where in mutable, we have the like string is immutable, we can't change, and then tuple is immutable, we can't change the data. If you see that str and the string is equal to Teja, if you want to change the index value 1e to any alphabet like x, it will be like txja, but we can't change because it is a string. Out we can change the entire tja to txja. We have to remove the entire data which is assigned to the string variable, and we have to assign the new, we have to assign the new data to the string variable, like that. And coming to the second type of data type is immutable, wherein immutable, where we can modify or we can change with respect to the index value. If we assume that immutable is nothing but the list, and I will give an example with respect to the list. List is equal to the 1 comma 1 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 77, anything we can. And I have given the, and in list we can assign any type of data type. So I am assigning the all are integers. If you want to change the index value 1, 4 to, like 4 to like any number 66, so we can change with the index value like it is the 1 and it is equal to the 66, and the output will be as in like sorry, it is a set. Okay, and the 1 comma 66 comma 5 comma 6 comma and 77. Okay, it is about, and I will discuss the next data types in the next video. Okay, thank you for listening.